Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making some delicious fish and prawns tacos served with a homemade tartar sauce, and all this delightful meal will be ready in only 15 minutes. So stay tuned for the recipe. If you're new to my channel, press on the like button, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And a big thank you to all my subscribers for your nice comments, your like, and your support. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. Sieve 60 grams of flour and 40 grams of corn flour into a bowl. Then add the salt to your liking. I've added half a teaspoon of salt, 100 ml of fizzy water or just water, and pour over the water, whisking at the same time. For the fish marinade, you will need fresh or frozen fish cut in strips, fresh or frozen prawns, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together, then add the fish to the marinade and let it rest for 30 minutes. To save time, marinate the fish an hour before cooking. Add the marinated fish to the batter and fry the fish into a hot oil on both sides until golden brown. Do the same with the prawns, but do not overcook the prawns so they don't become tough and chewy. To have perfect prawns, they should curve as a C, but if they form an O, this means they are too cooked. When cooked, put the fish and the prawns into a towel paper to absorb all the excess oil. For the salad we will need 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, half a cucumber cut in small cubes, 2 tomatoes cut in small cubes. For the tartar sauce we will need 7 gherkins cut in small cubes, 10 green olives cut in small cubes. Add some lemon juice to the salad and to the gherkins and green olives. Add salt and black pepper to your liking into the salad and the gherkins. Then add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt into the gherkins, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of mustard, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili paste. This is optional. And mix well to combine all the ingredients. Mix well the salad. And everything is ready to assemble the tacos with some tortilla bread of your choice. Add salad to the tortilla bread. Then add some strips of fish and some prawns. Then finish with the tartar sauce and fold as a wrap. Et voila, our fish tacos are ready to be enjoyed. The fish is very tasty and the tartar sauce works very well with the fish and the prawns. These tacos are delicious to serve for a lunch or for a dinner. Now it's your turn to make it. Don't forget to leave me a comment below to let me know how it turned out for you, or you can send me a picture on my Instagram that you will find in the description box. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends. And before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.